Gene. Gene. Hi, welcome back. I'm Rhys Finley, and this is a 3D printed Wolverine helmet. Like most of the population, I was overjoyed to see the huge, jacked man finally don the iconic cowl in Deadpool and Wolverine. So naturally, I wanted one for my collection. So I reached out to my 3D printing guy, Spandex Clad Hero over on Etsy, and he delivered. The print came in parts with holes specifically for magnets to be added and click it all together. Boasting a great texture on the fabric part of the cowl, they'll make painting it a joy. So, as always, you know the drill by now. We start with sanding. And sanding. And a bit more sanding before applying the body filler spray and sanding it one more time, hiding all the layer lines and giving it a smooth finish. From there, it's ready for priming, this time with a matte black, but not the matte black I went to school with.
Hi, Editorial Rhys here. Because I filmed this so long ago, I actually forgot that I primed it not in matte black, but in fact in matte grey. And this actually was the matte grey I went to school with.
And then it's time for the paint, using a nice vibrant yellow for the most part.
Hi, Editorial Rhys. I'm back again for a second time this week. It's also between these steps, I painted it like a yellowy brown. I think I had a slightly over-ambitious plan to then dry brush the yellow on. But yellow paint doesn't really react well like that. It looks a bit muddy. So I ended up painting it yellow as a base coat.
And then black on the eyepieces. It's already starting to take shape, but to give it some character, I set out to weather it and give it some scratches and battle damage, trying to emulate what was in the film, using a wash of dark brown to give some texture to the fabric looking bit, and silver on the eyes to create the illusion of scratches and battle damage. Quick spray of varnish and I'm ready to call it finished. And then I picked up some flexible cosplay eyes from AliExpress to complete the look. And there we have it. Magnets to attach it. It's a little bit loose, but I've lost a lot of weight in the years since filming the B-roll and actually buying it. This is definitely one of my favourite helmets I've put together, and the last of the helmets I made last year during Helmet Palooza, where I made a bunch of helmets at the same time. There's a bit of a creative break from the day job. And what should I make next? Suggestions down in the comments below. I kind of want to make an 80s Cyberman from Doctor Who, but I'm open-minded. But that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. I'll see you when I'm looking at you. Rhys out. Gene. Gene. Gene.
Gene. Gene. Gene. Gene. Gene. Gene. Gene. Gene. Gene. Gene. Gene.